Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google reCAPTCHA security settings for form hardening step by step clearly. To configure Google reCAPTCHA security settings for form hardening, start by visiting the Google reCAPTCHA website. Log into your Google account, or create one if you don't have it. Once logged in, click on the admin console in the upper right corner. You will see a button labeled Create or Register a new site. Click on this button to begin the registration process. Fill in the necessary details for your new reCAPTCHA. Choose the reCAPTCHA type that best suits your needs, either V2 or V3. For V2, you may choose between the I'm not a robot checkbox or invisible reCAPTCHA. For V3, keep in mind that it runs in the background and scores users. Enter your site's domain name in the designated field. You can add additional domains if you have multiple sites. Scroll down to the Owners section and add any additional user emails that require access. Review the reCAPTCHA terms and privacy policy. Once you agree, click the Submit button. After submission, you will receive your site key and secret key. Keep these keys secure, as they are essential for integration. Next, navigate to your website's backend, where your form is located. Depending on your web technology, find the configuration for forms. Insert the reCAPTCHA site key into the relevant field of your form settings. Add the reCAPTCHA secret key to your server-side script. This integration ensures that the form's submissions will be validated through Google. Test the reCAPTCHA logic by submitting your forms to confirm functionality. Adjust any additional settings based on your site's requirements. Make sure you review the reCAPTCHA analytics to monitor user interactions. Complete any necessary styling to match your form's design. Finally, ensure that your website is compliant with relevant privacy laws regarding data collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.